Hey everyone, I'm Apeksha Patel. Here's a short glimpse of who I am. I have been in this industry for over 16 years now and in a variety of domains. An extreme programmer at heart, I'm a systems thinker at mind. All of my life, I have focused on building environments for development teams to thrive and build successful products quickly. As I started my career with building technical environments, my interest in systems thinking grew, and I started focusing on looking at the whole organization as a system that will actually impact the product development. I strongly believe that we need to think in terms of systems in every part of our life. So I bring the systems aspect to my trainings and help people see the big picture. The actual learning for the participants happens after the workshops during the application of these learnings. To enable this, I facilitate teams that work on social projects. I also organize meetups for people to learn from others' experiences and help them continue their learnings. If you plan to attend my workshop, be ready to explore the pragmatic approaches to solving problems during the workshop, instead of just going by the book. See you soon at one of my workshops or a meetup, and then let's explore the system together.